This chili recipe is called Shay's Big Pot of Chili. If you're looking for a recipe that feeds for a lot of people, this is your recipe. This recipe calls for 2 pounds Applewood smoked bacon, 4 pounds spicy Italian pork sausage, 6 pounds ground beef, 1 jalapeno pepper finely chopped, 3 red bell peppers, 4 large onions, 3 carrots, 4 cans of chili beans, 4 cans crushed tomatoes, 4 cans tomato sauce, 2 cups ketchup, half a cup barbecue sauce, 1/4 cup Worcestershire sauce, 4 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons sriracha sauce, 2 ounces unsweetened baker's chocolate, and 1 Parmesan round. Once you get all your ingredients made up, get it put in your Carolina cooker Dutch oven, get some coals on it, 6 hours later, you got chili.